People believe multitasking means doing two things at the same time, but it's nearly impossible for your brain to process two tasks at once unless they are routine or mundane, something like chewing gum, breathing, or walking. The moment your brain needs to make a decision, it has to switch off one task and focus on the decision for the other task. We are going to demonstrate the difference between multitasking and task switching by timing two tasks separately, then challenging the people to do both tasks at the same time. Write out the numbers from 1 to 18. Write out the words multitasking is a lie, write out the numbers 1 to 18 and multitasking is a lie, alternating between the numbers and the letters.
Multi. I can't do it.
Multi.
I can't do it. There's a lot.
Oh.
13. I think I was 16.
How am I doing? Pretty good?
18B. I must have missed one.
Multitasking is a lie with a bunch of new.
I don't know where I'm at. I can't.
You can see that the combined task took exponentially more time than focusing on one task at a time. Once you have to process something and make a decision, like reading and replying to a text message, your brain has to switch tasks away from whatever you're doing and focus on that message. If you task switch while driving at 50 kilometers an hour, every 3 seconds you spend focusing on that message, you will drive the distance of a football field.